Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable Conversation View in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to change your Gmail settings and organize your emails individually instead of grouped conversations. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and accessing the Gmail website. Step 2. Look for the settings icon located at the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Email Threading section. Step 4. Within the Email Threading section, locate the Disable Conversation View option. Uncheck the box next to it to disable the Conversation View feature. By following these quick steps, you can easily disable the Conversation View in Gmail on your PC, allowing you to view and manage your emails individually rather than as grouped conversations. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy organizing your emails in Gmail.